Okay, this is an example for question number 4 in chapter 4. Very similar to question 3. The only difference is we are calculating pounds per day per acre foot instead of 1,000 cubic feet. So before we get started, you need to know what an acre foot is, and an acre foot would be hypothetically an acre, so 43,560 square feet with water to a depth of a foot. So if you imagine that you had an acre of land with water covering it to the depth of a foot, that would be an acre foot. So an acre foot would be equivalent to 43,560 square feet of surface area with water to the depth of a foot. So if you multiply 43,560 square feet times a foot of water depth, you get 43,560 cubic feet. So that's what an acre foot is. So we'll get back to that. Let's first figure out our pounds per day. So we're going to plug these figures given to us in the question: 1.8 million gallons per day and 150 milligrams per liter of BOD concentration. And we're going to plug those into our pounds formula. So 1.8 times 150 times 8.34, pardon my handwriting, 1.8 times 150 times 8.34 is about 2,252 pounds. Now we're going to calculate the volume of the trickling filter in cubic feet. So we've got 140 feet in diameter and 10 feet deep. So I'm going to plug those numbers into my preferred formula, which is, of course, pi times radius squared. So if the diameter is 140 feet, the radius would be 70 feet. So 70 feet times 70 feet times 3.14 times 10 feet deep is going to give us a volume in cubic feet. So 70 times 70 times 3.14 times 10 is 150,860 cubic feet. So now if I want to convert that value into acre feet, I'm going to divide my 150,860 cubic feet by 43,560 cubic feet in an acre foot. And if I divide that out, I get about 3.5 acre feet. So now, to get my final answer, I'm going to divide my pounds, or 2,252 pounds, divide that by 3.5 acre feet. So if I divide that, 2252 divided by 3.5 equals about 643 pounds per acre foot. So again, very similar to problem number 3, just instead of dividing the pounds by 1,000 cubic feet, we're dividing it by pounds. We're dividing the pounds by acre feet or acre foot. So that's how to do problem number 4.